Good morning, everybody. I am currently at Target and I am here to do some deals. I don't know what it is for the week bonus or anything like that, but it is an awesome day. It is raining outside, so we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you guys some deals in the store, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I paid and all that stuff. And then I will also have a printable breakdown below. So let's go inside and go shopping. So I am doing the spend 40 get a $10 gift card that you need to have it clipped to your Target Circle app. So what we're gonna get is we're gonna get some Purex laundry detergent. I'm gonna get one of them, and there's actually a $1 off coupon on the Target app, and then we also have a $1 coupon on the coupons.com, which is right there. So we're gonna do that. I also have a $1 off coupon for the Febreze, which there is a digital. For the Airwick, we have a $2.75 off digital coupon, which I will show you guys that. So we got $2.75 off of the Airwick, and then with the Clorox, this is we're gonna do that, and I have a $1 off digital coupon for that. So the scenario for this is we're gonna buy 2 of the Purexes for $7.99. I'm buying 2 of the OxiClean laundry sanitizers for $7.99. We're gonna buy an Airwick oils for $4.99. We're gonna get this for $2.99. And then we got the bleach for $2.69. So your total for all of these is $42.63. We're going to use a $1 off digital coupon for this one, a $1 off digital coupon for this one, a $2.75 off digital coupon, a $1 insert or a $1 digital coupon for that, making your final price $36.88. But with Ibotta, you can submit your receipt to, for Purex, you'll get $2 times 2, so you'll get $4 back with Ibotta. You'll also get, I forgot what I was gonna say. You also get a $1 coupon from coupons.com, and then you also want to submit your receipt to Swagbucks, and you'll get $8 when you purchase 2 of them, and then you get the $10 gift card. So your final total comes out to be $14.88 or $2.12 each for 7 items. The Danimals are on sale 2 for $4, and we actually have $2 off coupons, so I'll actually get these for free. But with checkout 51, I actually get a $1.50 back, so I'll end up getting $3 back with checkout 51, making this a $3 money maker. We have the Lunchables buy 5 get 5 free at $1.89 each, so you're gonna pay $9.45 for 10 of them, but then they end up coming out to be just 94 cents each, which is a great deal. So we have the core bars for $2.49. With Target Circle, you get 20% off, so you'll end up paying just $1.99. But with Ibotta, you end up getting $1.25 back, making your final price for this just 74 cents. So my store doesn't sell the pizza, but we have these Sweet Earth frozen meals for $4.29. There is a 30% off Target Circle deal that you want to use. You'll end up getting it for just $3, but I actually found a $2 off Peely coupon on the product, so I'm actually going to pay $1, and then with Ibotta, we get $1 back, so my meal will end up becoming for free, and I'm getting the cauliflower mac. Need some macaroni and cheese? It is on sale for 89 cents. You'll pay 89 cents for this, but there is a 35-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 54 cents a box, which is a limit of 5. So here we have the Sun-Maid watermelon or strawberry raisins. They're actually on sale 2 for $4, but we do have a $1 off rebate with Ibotta. You guys would just get these for $1 a box, which is a great price. The turtle candy bars are $1.49. You want to buy 2 of them and you'll actually pay $2.98. But with Ibotta, you get $1.69 off of 2. So your grand total comes to $1.29 or just 64 cents each. So here we have the Bic pens. They're actually on sale for 99 cents, and there is a $1 off digital coupon, so you guys can get a pen for free. Make sure you check the price when you get to the register, because they might have to price match it. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, welcome back. I'm here to share with you guys everything that I got at Target. So everything went by fine, everything went perfectly. There was a couple deals that I did not show in my breakdown. I think it was just maybe one deal. Just because I was up by the registers and I'm just like, but I'm here to share with you guys what I did. So the first deal I did was the spend 40, get a $10 gift card deal. I ended up buying 2 of these big bad boys of the Purex laundry detergent. These were $7.99. I had $1 off digital coupon that I used, and then I also submitted a $1 off coupon to coupons.com because I did buy 2 of them at $7.99. I also did the OxyClean laundry sanitizer. This was also $7.99. I didn't have any coupons for it, but with Swag Bucks, you end up getting $8 back when you buy 2. So basically, these came out to be like $4 a piece. So I got 2 of those. I got one thing of the bleach. This was $2.69, and there's actually 2 different coupons. There's a 50-cent and a $1. I unclipped the 50-cent and I used the $1, so I got this technically for $1.69. And then I also got the Airwick. This was $4.99, and there's a $2.75 digital coupon that you guys want to use for this, and I can't figure out the math. It's like what, $1.25 or something like that, or $2.25. I can't remember. And then there was one more cleaning supply that I got, and I ended up getting the cranberry Febreze. I was like, okay, should I get pumpkin? And I've been kind of getting sick with pumpkin, if you guys watched my empties video. And then I'm like, ooh, apple. But I'm like, I have tons of apple Febreze spray anyway. So I'm like, let's just do cranberry. Why not? So this was $2.99 with a $1 off digital or a $1 off print insert coupon from the P&G. So altogether, before coupons, it came to $42.63 for all that. I had a $1 off digital for the Purex, $2.75 for the Airwick, and a $1 off insert for the Febreze, and then the $1 off Clorox. You'd end up paying $36.88, but then you get $2 back for the Purex, so I'll get $4 back with the Purex with Ibotta. I also will be getting the $8 back through Swag Bucks, and then I also received a $10 gift card that you have to clip to your card prior to that. So your grand total for those 7 items come out to be $14.88, or just $2.12 each, which is an okay deal. I mean, you still got some marked down on it all. So I got that. Macaroni. I'm still not going crazy with macaroni because I don't know how long this deal is. This is the 4th time I've done this, so most likely I have one more time to do it, and then it'll be done unless there's a different deal for it. But these are on sale for 89 cents for another week. No, they actually end this Sunday. This Saturday is when the last day. But these are 89 cents. You'd pay 89 cents for this, but then there is a 35-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just 54 cents each. So I've been trying to go ahead and grab the latest date. A lot of them are all January's, which I know we could finish by January, but I don't want to get macaroni and cheesed out. I ended up getting this cauliflower mac. Now, I wanted to do the pizza, but my store does not carry the pizza. It ended up becoming I think it was like a 25-cent moneymaker if you guys could do that deal with Ibotta. But like I said, my store didn't have it. So I ended up getting this because I've actually really wanted to try it. I love cauliflower. So this was, I didn't even write the price on. Are you serious? I've like figured out the math, but I never wrote the price on. I think this was like $4.29 or something like that. There is a 30% Target Circle deal that you guys want to use, where it comes out to be just $3. But I had a $2 off Peely coupon that I found on one of the products, so I ended up using that Peely coupon and only paying $1. Then you can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this absolutely free, or you will get this for $2 depending if you can get that coupon or not. I checked all the other ones because I was going to get more, but that was the only Peely coupon that I could find. So I was excited to do that. Now this is a deal I thought maybe my daughter might like. I ended up getting the Sun-Made Sour Raisin Snacks. These are strawberry. These were currently 2 for $4. You'd pay $4 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate with Ibotta. So you get these for just $2 or $1 each. So I thought that was a pretty decent deal. There's 7 pouches in here. Really 7. Usually it's 6 or 8, but hey, we got 7. Now, I went crazy with the Lunchables. I've been craving Lunchables like crazy, and I've been like, I'm like, oh, I want to get a Lunchable, and I'm like, no. And they're like, oh, I want to get a Lunchable, and I'm like, no. I went and got them, you guys. So, I don't think you have to buy 5. I think you could actually just buy 2 and get 1. But it was buy 5, get 5 free. So, these came out to be $9.45, or just $9.94 each. So, I paid $10 for 10 of these, which was funny is there was only 10 on the shelf. Everything was completely gone. They only had 10 left, and I got all 10 of them, which is exciting because I got the ham and the turkey, which are the 2 flavors that I would have had. But depends on what you guys want to do. If you have tried it and just got the buy one get one free, let me know. But they are buy 5 get 5 free, and these don't expire until October. So if you guys need some snacks for school starting up, definitely go ahead. I know what I'm eating when I am done, when I'm posting my video, is having some Lunchables. So I got that. I ended up getting the Bic pens. Now, you have to have the store price match it. I think there's a lot of deals online where you have to have the store price match it. I don't know why they do that. Probably because they think people aren't going to look at that stuff, but we do. So these are online for 99 cents online. So you guys just have to have your store price match it. There is a $1 off digital coupon. You'll get these for free. We also have the 2 off of 2 insert coupon from last week if you guys want to use that, and you'll get those for free too if you have your store price match it. I know, Paris, nobody wants to look at your butt. Nobody wants to look at your butt. I did have another, okay, I don't know what happened to it. I did have 2 of the gums. These were $1.06 each, really? $1.06? $1.09. And I used a 50-cent off a 2 printable coupon. You'd pay $1.68 for this. But then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta times 2. So you get 2 packs of gum for just 68 cents. That's 34 cents a piece. What are you doing, cat? I got the turtles. The turtles. I was excited to do this because my husband likes these. So the turtles were $1.49. You want to buy 2 of them, you'd pay $2.98. But then you can submit a $1.69 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.29 or just 64 cents. And this is a 4-pack. So if you guys need to go ahead and get some snacks, go for that. And then I got 2 more offers for you guys. I got the Danimals smoothies. Now these were 2 for $4. You guys would pay $4 for this if you want to. I had insert coupons. There was a printable not that long ago, but we did get some insert coupons for $2, which I love it. I like the strawberry banana flavor, so I'm definitely going to take advantage of those coupons before they expire, because I haven't seen Danimals. I don't think I've ever bought Danimals while couponing. But anyways, we had $2 off coupons. You guys would get 2 of them for free if you use 2 of those coupons. For free. But with checkout 51, it does say you can, it doesn't say anything about not using a coupon, so you guys can combine that. Some of you guys might have a $1. I actually had a $1.50, so I got $3 back for buying these. So I ended up making a $3 profit for buying 2 of the Danimals, which is pretty exciting. And then I ended up getting the core bar. The core bar was $2.49. There is a 20% off Target Circle deal. You get this for $1.99. But then you can submit a $1.25 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 74 cents. I got the peanut butter chocolate. So if you guys need some of that. And that is everything that I got. My total came to $60.10. I ended up only receiving $11.64 with Ibotta. I needed 15 rebates for the week thing, and I only got 7, which is totally fine, but I would have gotten $3 if I got 15 rebates. And I was planning on getting some of the Sweet Earth products, but my store was sold out, and that is okay. I ended up finishing level 1. I got 50 cents for level 1. I received a extra bonus for buying the gum from probably Walmart last week and then this week, so I got a 50-cent bonus. I received a $10 gift card. Coupons.com, I did submit my receipt for $1 for the Purex. With checkout 51, I got $3 back. With Swag Bucks, I got $8 back. And then with Fetch, I submitted my receipt and I got points for the Clorox, and then I got points for, I can't remember what was the other item. But anyways, I got a 103 points, so I got 10 cents back with Fetch rewards. So my grand total came to $25.36. I got 30 items at just 84 cents a piece. Now if you guys think about it, I bought the laundry detergent. That was 15 bucks pretty much out of pocket, and then I bought $10 worth of Lunchables. So right there is $25 worth, and everything else I kind of got for free. So I was pretty excited. Not the greatest haul, but I'm happy. I got a lot of food items, stuff that I'm pretty excited to eat. I'm excited to try this cauliflower mac. I just saw something on Alexa yesterday about making macaroni and cheese or something like that, so I'm just like, oh sweet, we're gonna try it. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I might not be doing Target next week. We are actually having somebody come over and cleaning our carpets, and I need to be present when they are here, so I might not be doing a Target haul. If it's on fire, I will definitely be doing it possibly later on in the week or later that evening, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.